65 million years ago, an asteroid changed the course of life on Earth forever. The cosmos, in its infinite play of celestial bodies, launched a rock about 6 miles in diameter towards our planet. This wasn't any ordinary rock, mind you. It was a cosmic missile traveling at a speed of around 45,000 miles per hour. Imagine this: a rock, the size of Mount Everest, hurtling towards Earth at unimaginable speeds. The energy it carried was 1 billion times that of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. When this celestial bullet struck, it hit with such force that it carved out a crater over 100 miles wide and 12 miles deep into Earth's crust. This is the Chicxulub crater, nestled today beneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact was cataclysmic. It set off a chain reaction of environmental changes that transformed the Earth as we know it. The immediate aftermath was akin to a nuclear winter. Dust and debris thrown up by the impact blotted out the sun, plunging the planet into darkness. Temperatures plummeted, and for months, maybe even years, the world saw no sunlight. The darkness was accompanied by acid rain, wildfires, and tsunamis. The heat from the impact ignited forests, and the shock waves triggered seismic activities, creating tsunamis that reached thousands of miles. The Earth's surface was scarred, its climate altered, and its life forms devastated. But life, as it often does, found a way. Amidst the wreckage and ruin, the survivors adapted, evolved, and thrived. The catastrophic event that ended the reign of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of a new order of life. A group of small, furry, warm-blooded creatures emerged from the ashes and took center stage. The era of the mammals had begun. In an instant, an era ended, making way for a new age to dawn. The asteroid's impact marked the end of the Cretaceous period, and with it, the reign of the dinosaurs. This cataclysmic event caused a global catastrophe that the dinosaurs, despite their size and strength, were ill-equipped to handle. The impact triggered a series of events that led to their downfall. One of the major factors was global cooling, as the asteroid stirred up enough dust to block out the sun for an extended period. This caused a drastic drop in temperature, making it hard for cold-blooded dinosaurs to survive. Simultaneously, the lack of sunlight devastated the plant life that served as the primary food source for herbivorous dinosaurs. This chain reaction continued up the food chain, leading to the extinction of carnivorous dinosaurs too. The world transformed drastically, becoming inhospitable for these magnificent creatures. The giants that once ruled the Earth were no more, and in their stead, a new kind of creature began to rise. With the dinosaurs gone, the stage was set for a new kind of animal to take the spotlight: the mammals. In the wake of the asteroid's impact, the Earth was a changed world. The mighty dinosaurs were no more, their reign brought to an abrupt end. With their departure, the stage was ripe for a new kind of animal to take center stage. The survivors of this cataclysmic event were small, nocturnal creatures, mostly mammals, who were able to thrive in the new conditions that followed the dinosaurs' mass extinction. These mammals, unlike the dinosaurs, were warm-blooded, enabling them to survive in a wide range of habitats and climates. They were also more adaptable, capable of exploiting a variety of food sources. This gave them a distinct advantage in the post-impact world, a world that was drastically different from the one the dinosaurs had dominated. The extinction of dinosaurs provided an unprecedented evolutionary opportunity for mammals. No longer overshadowed by the colossal dinosaurs, these small creatures began to diversify and adapt to fill the ecological niches left vacant. Over the course of millions of years, these early mammals evolved into a myriad of forms. Some took to the trees, becoming the first primates. Others returned to the sea, evolving into the ancestors of today's whales and dolphins. And some, like the ancient proto-horses, stayed on the land, gradually growing larger and more diverse. As time passed, some of these mammals developed traits that set them apart. They grew larger brains relative to their body size, which allowed them to interact with their environment in more complex ways. These mammals, our ancestors, began to walk upright, freeing their hands for tool use and other tasks. They developed language, built societies, and eventually created civilizations. From small nocturnal creatures, mammals grew into a diverse array of species, eventually leading to the emergence of a very special kind of mammal: humans. The asteroid that ended the reign of dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of a new kind of creature, one capable of changing the world in ways no other creature could: humans. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, mammals began to diversify and flourish in the vacant niches. Over millions of years, some of these mammals evolved into primates, and among them, a lineage that would eventually give rise to a species known as Homo sapiens. These early humans were unique. They developed tools, harnessing the environment in ways no creature had done before. Language also emerged, enabling complex communication and the sharing of ideas. Over time, these skills and innovations led to the formation of complex societies with culture, art, and technology. This remarkable journey from the first upright steps of our ancestors to the bustling high-tech societies of today all happened within a blink of an eye on the geological timescale. And so, from the ashes of the Cretaceous period rose the age of humans. But what if the asteroid had never hit Earth? What would our world look like today? Let's imagine a world where the asteroid missed Earth and dinosaurs continued to rule. With dinosaurs maintaining their dominance, it's possible that mammals would have remained small and nocturnal, eking out a living in the shadows of these colossal creatures. Yet, evolution is a persistent force that thrives under pressure. Even in a world dominated by dinosaurs, mammals might have found a way to rise. Given enough time, they could have evolved to fill the niches left open by the dinosaurs, leading to an entirely different ecosystem than the one we know today. Perhaps we would see saber-toothed squirrels or birds the size of elephants, or maybe just maybe a species of intelligent tool-using mammals. But would these creatures be anything like us? That's the million-dollar question. How different would life be if the asteroid never hit Earth? It's a question that can't be answered with certainty, but it's fascinating to ponder nonetheless.